Let's play, discover, sister and brother, mom, dad, the high camp, you play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read I Love My Family by Bluey and Bingo. Hi, I'm Bingo, and I'm going to tell you why my family is the best in the universe. Our family isn't the best, Bingo. Huh? Muffin's family is way better. What? Why? Uncle Stripe buys Muffin ice cream. Oh yeah, I got an ice cream. When we ask Dad for an ice cream, he just plays ragdoll. It's very rude. And Muffin has an electric car and a pool in her backyard. Yeah, but the pool's got a crawly thing in it. And she's got loads of moonlight unicorns. And a caravan. Kids, have you seen the lid to the water bottle? It was here this morning. I'll help you look. Mom is Muffin's family better than ours because she has a pool? A pool doesn't make a family a family. What makes a family then? What matters is how much you love each other. How do we know how much we love each other? Well, do we all love doing things together? Yes, I love it when Dad plays cafe and lets me eat pavlova. And I love beating him at Memory Snap. We love his duck cake. He lets us do his makeup. How do we remove makeup? And say the word dunny. Hey, hee hee hee. We love dancing together, especially outside. And making you and Dad fancy romance dinners. We love playing with our cousins, Muffin and Socks, too. Once we went backpacking, and we were the backpacks, hee hee. I like being pizza sisters with Socks. And Muffin is a good mechanic. Sometimes Muffin gets a bit tired. Ride, Flamingo, ride. And we have to look after her. Who else do you like spending time with? Nana. Everyone gets what they want at Nana's house. And Granddad. He's the best croc catcher. It was funny teaching him how to use apps. I'm here to pick up my sausages. What about your Aunt Trixie and Uncle Stripe? Aunt Trixie was the best wise old wolfhound. And Uncle Stripe loves playing horsey rides with us. Remember when we fancy talked Muffin and she stole Uncle Stripe's phone? Hee hee, that was funny. Uncle Stripe had to chase her all around the house. But not funny when we saw Aunt Trixie on the toilet. Oh dear. What about Uncle Rad and Frisky? We love when Frisky plays Torch Mouse. And Uncle Rad lets us walk on the ceiling. And we love bedtime stories they tell together. Who else do we love playing with? Mr. Monkey Jocks. Forget him, that monkey was too big for his boots. Hey Dad, this is our book. Someone's jealous. Well, you can't forget Unicorse. Oh yes, we can. So our family is a family because we play together, we dance together, and we laugh together. That's why we love our family. Found it. The end. Thank you for reading with us, Play and Discover kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother, mom, dad, the high camp, you play and discover.